If you have this type of a tripod stand and you want to fix it to your action camera, like maybe Hero or this Insta 360, but you cannot fit it, you just need a tripod mount converter to fit it to your action camera. This is the one tripod mount converter. Come with a screw, and it got this 1/4 inch nut, so you can fit into your tripod. Okay, let's go. Let's fit it. Okay, we just screw it. Okay, and tighten it. Okay, and then we put on this action camera. And this is a screw and come with this tripod mount adapter. Okay, make sure the screw can go in smoothly. Then we can easily lock this action camera. Okay, you can see we can convert this tripod to GoPro camera. Okay, just using this type of tripod mount adapter. And you also can adjust to up and down. That is